dead? Look, there's no line.
Let's do it.
Let's do it.
Hi guys.
Hi.
You ready for this?
Yes, we're ready.
Yeah, that's the energy I need.
We're ready.
Go, go, go.
Yes. We're getting right on, it looks like, Mary. Mary, again. Oh, it's an electric one.
Go back. Come on that one. On the floor right there.
I'm in. Oh, thanks for waiting, guys.
You gonna let us go? Oh, it's the electric one, boy. We finally got on the electric one.
Alright, keep your arms legs inside the vehicle at all times.
Goodbye to all those people, all those few people, because you're never going to see them ever again.
Bye.
Did you know Universal Studios is the oldest movie studio in Hollywood? That's right, we've been around for over 100 years. You can't exist this long without a few skeletons in your closet. You know, the secrets employees whisper about.
Ooh, it's so
Everyone
quiet, this one.
here knows that Universal has, well, what some might call a clown problem. Actually, it's one particular clown. Here, let me show you what I mean. Now, some of you might recall that back in the summer of 2016, the Hollywood backlot was haunted by the sudden appearance of a mysterious clown that the internet came to call Hollywood Harry. It turned out Harry was, in fact, a former actor named Harold Kapowitz. He hosted a children's TV show called Koodle's Carnival back in the 1950s, and also served as the original mascot for the Universal Studios tour. After terrorizing the studio tour throughout 2016, Harry disappeared back into the Hollywood Hills, and everything went quiet again for 2 years. Then in 2018, Harry kidnapped a pair of Universal tour guides and forced them to participate in a demented version of his TV show.
Hello, boys and girls. It's your pal, Koodles the Clown.
Despite the best efforts of authorities, the bodies of Scott and Allison, my fellow tour guides, were never recovered. And once again, Harry disappeared back into the Hollywood Hills. It's been 4 years since we last heard from Harry, but I don't think he's gone for good. When we reopened the theme park, we found black balloons, Harry's calling card everywhere. And lately, there's even been a more troubling sign.
Trick or treat, smell my feet, give me something good to eat. Happy Halloween, boys and girls. Gee, Scott, Halloween is my favorite time of year.
Gosh golly, Allison. That's my favorite time of year, too.
I've got a great idea. Let's have a Halloween party.
Hot diggity dog. That's a swell idea.
Yay! Yeah!
No, no! It's all ruined. I'm sorry, boys and girls. This is sad. I so wanted to have a Halloween party, but we were going to have pumpkins and ghosties and black cats and vampire bats and skeletons and candy. Now I guess I'll have to eat my candy all by myself. Now, who will come to my party? You!
Well, that is one party I'm definitely going to have to skip. But in just a few moments, you're not going to have that choice, because we're going to leave you guys behind in just a few moments. And you guys are going to have to get off the tram in just a few moments.
Halloween, baby. Hey, ladies, who wants to party? Woohoo! Party, party,
DJ chill.
That's just what I needed. Nice, cool weather. Spider rabbit. Ooh, a spider rabbit. Look, he's got black balloon. Dun, 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 dun. Wait, you want to take a picture with Norman? Or do you want to wait till night?
Trick or treat. Trick or treat.
Look at log bunnies out there.
Oh, look, buddy!
Huh? Huh? Candy. Oh, yeah.
Woo!
Woo!
Oh, that's funny! That's so funny!
That's entertainment.
Go underneath there.
Yeah!
Just like
Give me something good to eat.
Yeah! Big skeleton.
big skeleton. That got me.
Happy Halloween, Hollywood Harry.
Look at these guys. Ah! I get all tense.
Oh my goodness.
Oh, no.
I love it. Thank you.
There's something in the clouds.
Oh my goodness.
There's something in the
In
clouds. Something in the clouds, guys. We've seen the movie now, so we're all like, yeah, now we're excited to go through here.
We're being brave.
Look at, she's got the doll.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, this is gonna be fun.
It wasn't that bad.
Hey, Josh, that's all you, man.
No, man.
Hey, Josh, that's all you.
That's all you, Josh. Come on.
I'll go with the front. I know they are.
Coming! There! Coming!
Walk through Jupiter.
Oh man, look at them all, Mary. They're scary. Oh no. It's creepy. There's a battery even under it too. Details, Mary. Now it all makes sense. It all makes sense. That was awesome. That was fun.
Jupiter's Claim, right? It's incredible. It's beautiful. If you've seen the movie, right?
Yes, now I
It's incredible. Oh, nice. Oh, I get the shirt. I love it. Now, that area of the back like you just walked through are the actual sets used in the production of Nope, the latest film from Academy Award-winning director and writer and Academy Award winner, which we would said, Jordan Peele. This fall, Universal Home Entertainment is actually releasing a special collection of Mr. Peele's films. Take a look at your screens right now to a good little trailer for that special collection that's coming out in a little bit. What I want to offer the audience is an escape from their day to day. Something above the clouds. It's not what you think. With all my movies, I'm trying to do something unexpected.
They treat us like family.
The hero never does anything that we wouldn't do. We gotta go right now. So I allowed Chris to be a logical human being because it's more satisfying. Get out! Why do people? All great horror has a social message.
It's our time now.
When it works, it's tapping into something that we're suppressing. No. Action! He's by far my most ambitious.
I ain't never seen nothing like this.
I'm so glad I never watched that.
Yeah.
I'm so.
Ooh, look at that smoke.
Ooh, that looks cool. Yeah, we're probably gonna. I don't know what we're gonna do next. We might need to make a trip to the lot.
Also coming out on digital and Blu-ray, actually Blu-ray and Netflix later on this month is actually going to be a remake of The Monsters by Rob Zombie. Here, check this out.
It's going straight to digital?
Yeah.
This is going to shock you.
I knew the moment I laid eyes on you that you were special. Would you like to come over for dinner one night?
Please hold.
It seems Miss Lily's truly in love.
Oh, hurry.
Hey, Nutskull! When they made me, they broke the ball! With you in it, I presume! No! I think I was out by that point!
We gotta get rid of that bozo Herman Munster. He's not the type of person I want my Lily with.
Is that what I think it is?
Yes, it is.
All right, people, we're going to be pulling back in the unload area momentarily once traffic clears up in front of us. Just do me a favor, remain seated until the gates in your car are open. That way, none of you get your fingers pinched in those gates.
Hey, that was the one.
Once you're open, please watch your step as you're exiting the vehicle. Step off carefully. I don't want any of you like twisting an ankle. It's gonna make it really hard to walk through some of those haunted houses, all right? Thanks so much again for joining us. Good to have you back for Halloween Horror Nights 2022. And also, keep an eye out for Halloween Harry.
Potter.
Or Hollywood Harry.
Air conditioner.
You never
Look at
know
all that
where he's
air
going to show
conditioning.
up.